see you waiting, but I'm not ready to take that first step towards home. So please be patient. God knows I'm trying, but these good intentions are not enough. You've pulled back your veil, laid it all on the line, but I've turned my back and covered my eyes. So please, 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 please cripple me, so I cannot keep running away. From you.